Hi, everybody. How are you? Thanks for joining me. I actually am on Zoom today, so it's taken me just a little bit longer than usual to get everything set up. So hang tight. I'm almost done. Okay, so guys, I am so glad that you're here with me. Today is mystery stamping, and I only do this the first Thursday of the month. If you have not joined me before, I am Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweetening Designs, and I come to you each Thursday with a project, but this week we're doing mystery stamping. So hopefully you've had a chance to hop over to my blog or in the Facebook page that you were able to catch the measurements, prep your supplies, and you can craft along with me. If you don't have your stuff ready, don't worry. You can always come back, prep your supplies, come back, watch this video again. So the way that I do mystery stamping is I am on Zoom today, so it's a little bit different format. So I am going to be using my phone to check comments. So if you would just kind of bear with me so that I can see the comments. If you see me looking down, that's what I'm doing because I want to make sure that I am capturing your comments so that I can visit with you as well today. For mystery stamping, I am going to be sharing with you a PowerPoint presentation, and it has clues on each slide for you to be able to put your prepared pieces together. But before we get started though, last week I had told you I was going to do a drawing for the Ornate Garden, the layers, the little sample pack of the Ornate Garden Designer Series paper layers. And I had several people share. Thank you so much for everybody who shared. And so I'm going to draw your name and we're going to see who won, who's going to get some happy mail. All right. Tina, I know you, girl, and I have your address. So I am going to be mailing this little packet to you with some of the other stuff that I have to mail to you. So anyway, say hello if you're on, and I am going to go on ahead and I'm going to share my screen and let's go on ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said, I have a screen with clues, but if you notice in the corner, I have a timer. Each slide is timed. That way we can go on ahead and go to each slide in a timely manner so that we can finish in real good time. Okay, so guys, ready to get started? The first thing you want to do is you want to take a piece of colored cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 11 inches, and you're going to score it in half at 5 1/2 inches and just fold that over. So you have 30 seconds to complete this task. I'm just going to check the comments real quickly while we're waiting. Hi, I see some of you are joining me. Thank you, guys. I love it when you're on with me. Okay, so just a few more seconds. This is a really easy step. Okay, clue number 2. You're going to take a 2-inch by 4-inch piece of Designer Series paper that coordinates with whatever color you chose for your card base, and you're going to adhere that towards the top of your card front. You're going to want to leave about a 1/4 inch gap around the edges, because in the next step, we're going to add another piece below it. Okay. And guys, if you find that I am going a little too fast, just say something, comment to me, and I'll try to slow it down a little bit for you. All right, clue number 3. Remember I told you we're going to put a piece underneath that top one. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a 3 1/2 by 4-inch piece of coordinating Designer Series paper and just adhere it below that top layer, again, leaving about a 1/4 inch gap around the bottom. These are our top and bottom layers for our card front. And you're going to have 30 seconds, actually about 20 more seconds to finish this clue. Okay, couple more seconds. Okay, clue number 4. I'm gonna give you a little bit more time on this because it involves some ribbon, and I don't know about you, but me, I have trouble tying my bows. So take a coordinating ribbon, wrap it around your wrap it around your card front where those two pieces of designer series paper meet, because we're going to try to cover that seam. So I'm going to give you 45 seconds to work on that. All right, looks like about 15 more seconds, and then we're going to go to the next clue. Okay. All right, you finishing up? All right, hopefully you're able to get that bow done. Okay, so clue number 5. You're going to take a label, a white label that measures roughly about 2 5/8 by 4 7/8. I'll give you a hint. I used a nested label for mine, and you're going to want to stamp towards the top of that label. And again, you have 30 seconds to complete this task. Now, if you have been noticing, I have been sharing some clues as to what my card looks like, just to give you an idea of what my project is. And that's what I love about mystery stamping. With the same clues and the same basic materials, it's just amazing how different each of the projects look. So I'm excited to see what yours looks like afterwards. All right, clue number 6. Okay, what I want you to do is you're going to take any kind of focal point, whether it's punch, stamp, die cut, and you're going to want to adhere it underneath that sentiment on your label with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I do hope that if you're crafting along with me today, that you share your project, post a picture of it. I would love to see it. It's so cool to see everybody's different designs. Okay, everybody wrapping up that step. That was a pretty easy one. All right, clue number 7. Okay, so you're going to take that completed label with your sentiment and your focal point, and you're going to adhere it to the front, the center of your card front with some dimensionals. And again, if I'm going a little too fast, just holler at me. Say, hey, slow it down. Okay, we are almost done, guys. Just a few more clues. Okay, so what you want to do is embellish the top and the bottom of that label, or really anywhere on that label as you want. Rhinestones, hearts, pearls, however you want to embellish it, just to add a little bling to the front. And you'll have 30 seconds to work on that. Okay. I think we just have a couple more steps and then we're done. Okay, clue number 9. Now we've just completed the front of the card. Now you want to open up your card and adhere a 4 by 4 1/4 piece of white cardstock inside. Okay, a couple more seconds. All right, last clue. All right, so take any embellishment, whether you want to stamp it, designer series paper, punch, die cut, whatever you have, and just add that inside the corner, one of the corners of your card to add a fun embellishment inside. I see some of you are joining us from different parts of the United States. Welcome. Thank you for watching. If you're just hopping on, we're doing mystery stamping, and I'm providing actually the last clue you're welcome to come back, watch the replay, and do the project. Okay, guys. All right, hopefully you have been able to complete all the steps. If not, you can come back and finish it up later. Okay, are you ready to see my card? Okay, so this week I chose for my mystery stamping project to use the Playful Pets collection. One, because this is in the annual catalog and it is retiring, and I am so bummed that this is going away. Now, don't worry, the stamp set and the dies are staying, but the paper is going away, as well as the ribbon and some of the embellishments. So if you have not had a chance to shop the last chance sale, I really encourage you to take a look at it. There's some amazing deals on there. Like I said, the Pamper Pets stamp set and dies, don't worry, we've got more time with that, but the paper is going away. Those really cute little doggy trinkets are going away, and the ribbon as well. Now, I did not use the Designer Series paper for my layers. What I did is I chose to use the True Love Designer Series paper as a nice little backdrop for the Playful Pets. So also too, I wanted to let you know, so I am doing a promotion this week where you can get a free PDF tutorial from my PDF store. I actually have a PDF with the Pamper Pets that I did a stamp club a while back, and it's got some really adorable projects. It's actually the Spotlight PDF for the week. And if you spend $35 or more in my online store, then I will send you a code for a $15 off any PDF of your choice. You can use it on the Pampered Pets or any other PDF of your choosing. And guys, I love it when you shop with me. When I get that little email notification that I have an order, it warms my heart, and I just love it. And I love that you chose to shop with me, and I'm excited that you're getting some new stamping goodies. So thank you when you do order from me. And I do like to thank you by sending you a handmade thank you card, as well as giving you a little something. And this week I'm doing a free PDF. So guys, I want to share with you real quick before I take off for the day. I do have some events. I have very, very limited space on these. My April Stamp Club is featuring the Butterfly Brilliance bundle. It is using the Butterfly Bijou Designer Series paper. If you are not aware, that paper sold out really quickly. It was a limited release paper, and so I am not able to get it anymore. I only have 2 spots left for this stamp club. So if you are interested in it, register right away. It is $20, or you can get it free with a $25 order. And guys, yes, if you spend $35, you can get not only the free PDF, but also too, you get the free stamp club. All you need to do is pay the $5 shipping so that I can mail your free project kit to you. But do make sure you register first for the stamp club before you go shopping, because like I said, I have 2 spots left, and when they're filled, they're filled, and I don't have any more supplies to be able to make any more project kits. My April Stampin' Bunko, that's going to be on April 20th from 6 to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. It is $20 to play. It also includes 2 projects that I mail to you, and it is a lot of fun, but do make sure you register by April 9th. And actually, I think I have 3 spots left. We're actually pretty full, but I can accommodate 3 more people. So if you're interested in that, I hope that you will join me. So guys, that's what I have to share with you today. Like I said, Mystery Stamping is the first Thursday of the month. And next week, we're going to go back to our regular Simply Sweet Stamping. So guys, take care. Have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful Easter. Bye, guys.